How many of you are into the leadership positions already in your life? So what is a leadership position? Why are we discussing leadership today? Can anyone answer that question? Define the success into your life, yes or no? Changes are happening into flows from the process builder because I have people who can do it for me. They'll be like, अरे इसको flow ही नहीं आता है, मैं इसके लिए काम नहीं करेगा, मैं जा रहा है. You need to provide the vision. मतलब 18,000 लोगों की कंपनी चलानी नहीं चलानी, 8 की चला नहीं पा रहे. A lot of people say, हम इस कंपनी को यहाँ ले जाएंगे, but how does that matter to me? Hello? Are you all awake? Can we come a little forward? Everyone, please. Please. It's a request. No, not anything else. Please come. Please. We have a lot of seating in the front, right? We all can sit in the front. Please. And there's a lot of good AC at the front as well. Please. Except the VIP seats, please. Otherwise, the organizers are going to push me out. I would like to correct the one who just asked me to come onto the stage. I'm not Shrey Sharma, I'm Shreya Sharma. I'm not Shreya Sharma, I'm Shrey Sharma. How many of you knew that already? Okay. Guys, please come forward. I'll see. Utho. Please, sir. Everybody. See, the reason why I'm asking you to come into the front is because I don't want you to be watching your phone and talking to your friends who you are sitting beside with. Because the session that I'm going to give over here is something that you'll not get anywhere else out there that easily. And also it's going to be beneficial no matter which profile or which position you're working on currently. And also very importantly, I do not let my audience lose the traction of what I say. And if anybody over here has attended my sessions earlier as well? So you just ask these people, कि तुम्हारी आँख हटती है क्या? तो वो नहीं हटती. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. And that's exactly why I'm here. मतलब no other agendas, no other plans as such, but just to like provide sheer value that can actually help you grow in your life and in your career. Are we all ready for it? Everyone? Hi. Are we all ready for it? Yes. I can't see the enthusiasm. Good morning. Okay, shall we start? Yes. The timer says that I am already 5 minutes up, but the timer got started a little early. They gave me only 20 minutes, so I'll have to rush things up a little bit. But still, I'll be able to answer all of the questions and answers that you have related to the topic that I'm going to speak about in here after the session as well. And I'm going to be around till the last question is there, right? Even if I have to wait till 12 o'clock in the night, I will. But if the questions go out, I'll be out. So that's exactly how it's going to be. How many of you are into the leadership positions already in your life? Leadership positions? Can you raise your hand? इतना नहीं. हाँ है पर हमें ही लगता है. That's not how it works, right? If you think that you are into leadership positions. Okay, so what is a leadership position? You are managing or leading a team. You are responsible for their success as well as your success and the cumulative success of all of the people involved into it. Yes or no? So how many of you are into it? Okay, pretty like almost like 30-40%. Okay, how many of you want to be into leadership positions in the future in your life? Okay, very, very less people interested into it. Why you guys don't want to be into it? You're not ready for it, but how are you going to be ready for it? Achha, okay. All right, let's start with it. The first question is, can we have the clicker, please? Who's managing it? Next, please. Why are we discussing leadership today? Can anyone answer that question? I mean, it's a technical event, right? It's Bharat Dream and it's a Salesforce event. Salesforce is the #1 CRM technology out there in the world, and it's a technology company. Why are we discussing leadership in here? ऐसा नहीं है मुझे इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आता. And if you doubt that, you just go and check out on the internet about me, please.
Because sometimes it is difficult to lead team.
Sometimes it's difficult to lead team. That's what his answer is. Anybody else?
You always need tools, process and people.
Exactly. So he's absolutely correct, and you're also partially correct because you're saying on your about like as per your perspective, and he's saying according to his perspective. So what you're saying is, it's difficult to manage team because that's the stage that you are in. He's not saying that because he's not in the stage where it's difficult for him to manage the teams because he has learned it along the way. And believe me or not, there is only this much that you can do in your life because you have only 24 hours in a day, and every one of us. How some people figure out to do more into their life and how some people figure out to do or how some people cannot do more into their life completely depends on to how much they are how much they're capable of like providing out there to the world. And like alone you can do this much only, but with a team you can do great things. But when you have a team or when you build a team, there are a lot of challenges that goes around it, and that's exactly something that we are going to address in here, which is going to help you solve all of those challenges very easily, very simply. And believe me or not, today or tomorrow you'll have to face this situation if you really want to grow into anything that you're doing. Even if you're doing a business, you'll have to learn leadership. Even if you're doing a job, you'll have to learn leadership. After a certain point of time, if you really want to earn more money into anything that you do, you'll have to learn leadership. Is there anybody over here who says कि नहीं हमें leadership सीखे बिना हमारा काम हो जाएगा? I really want to listen from those like most experienced folks out there कि हाँ मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं leadership सीखने की. Anybody? I would rather enjoy learning it from you rather than speaking in here. Anybody who is more than 30 years of age in here and has experience into the industry and says कि leadership के बिना कुछ भी हम कर सकते हैं और leadership skills के बिना हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Anybody? Okay. So यहाँ पे जो हाथ है ये बता रहे हैं कि ऐसा possible नहीं है, और आज तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है या हम मुझे क्या करना है सीख के. But believe me, today or tomorrow you'll end up into a situation where the only thing that can get out of you from that situation is the people skills or the leadership skills, because you'll have to manage people. You'll have to get things done from the people rather than doing it by yourself, right? Whenever you become a team lead into a development team also, you have to get things done from the developers who are less experienced than you. How do you do that, and how efficiently and how much capability you have to get things done from the junior developers is exactly what is going to describe the success of the project that you are executing. Yes or no? So that's exactly where the leadership skills are required, but you're just postponing it for as long as possible. Aren't you doing that? हिंदी में बात करते हैं. हम डिले करे जा रहे हैं लीडरशिप स्किल्स की लर्निंग को या पीपल स्किल्स की लर्निंग को, जो एब्सोल्युटली इंपॉर्टेंट है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट मैनेजिंग 3 people, 4 people, इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग अ जॉब और इवन इफ यू वांट टू डू बिजनेस, और घर में भी लीडरशिप चाहिए होती है यार. मतलब व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम अ पेरेंट, यू विल हैव टू लीड योर वाइफ, which is the most difficult thing in the world. And of course, probably it's the other way around. They lead you. And you have to lead your kids. You have to like manage everything around in the house as well. And how great and how much capable you are into doing that is going to define the success into your life. Yes or no? Yes. Right? So shall we start? You're like, haven't you started yet? What it has got to do with the technical event, I've clearly described. किसी भी technology में काम कर लो. आज Salesforce है, कल को AI होगा, परसों कुछ MI होगा, परसों उसके बाद कुछ और होगा. The one thing that stays constant is in this industry, it has always been driven by people. It will always be driven by people. If you know how to lead the people, you'll be able to manage all the technological changes that is going to happen into the industry. Yes or no? Believe me or not, I do not have to learn what changes are happening into flows from the process builder, because I have people who can do it for me. Why do I have to learn it? And that's exactly the stage that you would want yourself to be in. And how can you get yourself into the situation like that? When people are willing to do that for you. But why those people who are smart into flows and you only know process builder would be willing to work with you? They'll be like, अरे इसको flow ही नहीं आता, मैं इसके लिए काम नहीं करेगा, मैं जा रहा है. That's exactly how things should be, right? People want to work with people from whom they can learn. So अगर मेरे से ज़्यादा मतलब मेरे से कम मेरे ऊपर वाले को आता है तो मैं इसके लिए काम क्यों करूँ? That's the question that every developer or every technical person out there has. Yes or no? है? Developers? हाँ. तो टेक्नोलॉजी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. पॉइंट सीधा साधा सा है. You have to learn this thing in order to avoid the anxiety or the depression that you get into of the ever evolving and changing technology. How do these big companies which have lakhs and lakhs of people and thousands of people are unbothered about the technological changes that are happening out there in the world? Let's take examples, right? There are companies जिसमें 10,000 लोग हैं, 18,000 लोग हैं, 18,000 लोगों को एक साथ टेक्नोलॉजिकल शिफ्ट के अंदर लेके जाना है. तो वो जो चला रहा है उसको टेक्नोलॉजी आती है नहीं आती उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. डोंट यू वांट टू बी इन दैट पोजीशन? मतलब 18,000 लोगों की कंपनी चलानी नहीं चलानी, 8 की चला नहीं पा रहे हैं. Right? So that's exactly what we're going to talk about in here. And believe me, it's going to be the most simplest way that one can explain leadership skills. You'll not find it anywhere else. And that's exactly this is the same thing that I teach in the team at Syntexa. That has helped us grow from 5 people to 450 people today in less than 6 years, without any funding, without any loans, without any external support or anything. And by the way, believe me, none of the people in my family have anything to do into this industry. वो 12वीं भी पास पता नहीं करे थे, नहीं करे थे, आई डोंट नो, राइट? सो आई कम फ्रॉम दैट बैकग्राउंड. So the reason why I'm saying this is कि ये सीख लोगे तो बहुत फायदा होगा. And for you, मतलब wherever you're working, whichever company you're working, whether you're building your own company, wherever, this is an important thing. Or are we all ready to learn it? Really? Can't see the enthusiasm though. Oh, let's start with it. Many technical experts often, ठीक है मैं नहीं कर रहा. How do you help you build business? You cannot do it all. Anyone over here says you can do it all? No, right? We need a team. अभी यहाँ पे मैं सेशन भी दे रहा हूँ तो आई हैड अ टीम हु डिड दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, हु डिड द क्या नाम से कैमरा वाला यहाँ पे अलग है, वो लाइट संभालने वाला अलग है. दिस इवेंट इज हैपनिंग विद अ टीम, राइट? सो एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू रियली वांट टू डू नीड्स अ टीम, एंड इफ यू वांट टू डू इट ऑन स्केल यू नीड बिगर टीम, एंड you need to have the skills to manage the bigger team. So वाली चीज़ है. Let's take an example to understand the concept of leadership. And this is going to be the most simplest example, right? Hey, Bangalore, hey. All right, let's start with it. Suppose you're looking for fruits. Let's say the fruits are, you want to build a business, you want to earn great money, you want to lead a team of 400 people, you want to lead a team of whatever numbers or whatever. ठीक है? Anything that you're looking for is as an output, right? If you want to make 1 crore rupees per year, that's an output, that's a fruit. Let's consider that as a fruit. So everybody wants to have fruits, right? So that they can eat and they can enjoy that fruit, yes or no? Similar to fruits, you need money, yes or no? You need power, yes or no? How many of you do? People need it, right? I mean, they just do not want to accept it, but they need it. They need positions, right? Yes or no? Yes. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, पैसा चाहिए अभी तक. अभी वहीं से आगे नहीं आए हैं. So initially people need money. Money is like a fruit. Yes or no? Yes. How can we get fruits in life? भाई सेव कैसे मिलता है? मतलब if you are looking for a fruit, how can we get fruits in our life? हाँ? You just buy it from the store. That's exactly how it goes. Yes or no? Hello? Okay. But for that you need money. Right now, over here, in order to, like fruit is also money. So in order to earn money, you need money. Do you have money? Do you have money so that you can invest 5 crore rupees into building a business? Or 10 crore rupees into building a business? Or do you have money to like become an angel investor or to become a venture capitalist, to give your money to some other startup owner to like to fund their strategy or to fund their product? Do you have that much money? How many of you have more than 5 crore rupees into your bank balance? Bank balance, not in assets. घर की property को मत बता. So only me. ठीक है? मतलब I'm running a business, right? So that's why I'm telling you this to you. In order to earn money, you need a lot of money. And believe me, a lot of money. But initially, when we are starting the career, when we really do not have money, how to earn money is the question. Right? So how did you guys started earning money from the college, once you went out of the college?
It can be talent, it can be knowledge.
So it's knowledge, and it's a combination of knowledge and skill set that you were able to provide to the marketplace. And in trade of that, you started earning some money. But do you think you can work on to 5 projects at one point of time or on a single day? People start working on to 2 projects along with their job, right? And see their situation. उनकी रातों की नींद खराब हो जाती है फ्रीलांसिंग का एक उठाते प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है? तो the problem is you cannot earn great amount of money on scale if you do not have something to provide on scale, and your time is limited. So time trading चल रही है अभी तुम्हारी. तुम छुट्टी करते हो, पैसे कटते हैं. ऐसा क्या कर सकते हो कि तुम्हें एक दिन के अंदर 10 दिन की सैलरी मिल जाए? हाँ, 8 आवर्स से ऊपर कैसे जाएं? ठीक है, मतलब whatever the practice is, but the point is, in order to have the fruits, you need to, if you do not have a lot of money that you can buy it from the store, you need to sow a seed, right? That's exactly how it starts. ये clicker चल रहा है क्या? हाँ, you need to plant a tree, and in order to plant the tree, what we need to do? अभी लोगों को लग रहा होगा बोले क्या बात कर रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रही है, but believe me, this is the most simplest way you can manage things. You have to prepare the soil. So number 1, you have to find the seed. There are only 4 steps, right? In order to get the fruit, there are only 4 steps. Number 1, you have to find the seed. Seed is like the quality of the seed is going to define the quality of the fruit. Getting it? Next, look for the right kind of soil and atmosphere. You cannot grow apples in Rajasthan, right? Can you? I mean, even if you can, the quality of the apples are not going to be as good as it is in Himachal because the atmosphere doesn't support that. Getting it? And you need the right kind of soil as well. So, and there are different kinds of soils that supports different kind of seeds in order to germinate the seed and make it into a plant and then later into a tree and then that becomes a fruit. That's exactly how the journey goes. Next is water it and have patience to let it grow. So the moment you sowed a seed into a soil, you have to water it. Like, can it grow without a water? Any seed you have seen growing without the water? No. So you'll have to water it, and as soon as you water it, do you see it growing like a plant and becoming a tree and giving you the fruit? You have to have the patience to let it do that, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next is provide sunlight for the right direction. Without sunlight, do you think can plants become a tree or a seed can germinate or anything? You need sunlight. So these are the only 4 things that you need in order to learn leadership skills. Number 1 was identifying the right kind of seed, giving them the right kind of soil and atmosphere to grow in, water it with the things that they need in order to grow themselves into a plant and then later into a tree, and then provide them the right kind of vision for them to grow, right? That's sunlight. Now let's replace all of these 4 things. And then again, when you're going to water it, when you're going to provide it sunlight, and when you'll have the patience to let it grow, the fruits will happen as a consequence of what activity you did. You all are looking for the fruits to happen the moment you are sowing the seed. Yes or no? अब मैं इसको टीम से रिलेट करके बताऊंगा, and then you'll be able to understand leadership skills, right? So every fruit has its own seed that you can use to multiply the trees. Yes or no? So with every fruit, you can get the seed and you can sow it back again. So then that means if you want only 1 kg of fruits every year, then in that case you need 1 tree. But if you want 100 kgs, you need 100 trees like that. And how can you multiply? You need to have more seeds like that. And you'll again, it's not just going to be about having more seeds. It's also going to be about having that great of an environment and place to sow that seed into, and having that much water and resources to manage all of those things. You're getting it? Now let's interchange all of these things, and this is the cycle how it grows. You're getting it? Can you see the cycle? This is exactly how it goes. That's exactly how leadership is. Can anyone explain me how? कोई भी बता पाएगा कि लीडरशिप का बहुत एक तो तुम सोते हो यार, सुबह हो रही है, क्या कोई समझा पाएगा how leadership is similar to growing a tree? Exactly. So let's go to that. In leadership, seeds is equals to the individuals. When you get freshers into your team, when you get people who want to start their career or anything, they're the seeds, like, right? And you have to identify the quality in the seed. You do not have to, and by the way, does the seeds come with their fruits quality, or you have to identify? You need to have that skill to identify कि whether this seed is going to become a tree like this. जैसे एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है, मैं इस बंदे को देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है इससे बात करके कि भैया इसके पास में ये स्किल है, ये सारी सब कुछ चीज़ें हैं, ये अगर इसको तैयार करा गया तो इसके फ्रूट्स ऐसे आने वाले हैं, और इसको तैयार किया गया तो इसके फ्रूट्स ऐसे आने वाले हैं, और दोनों अलग अलग हैं, मैं इसको उनसे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकता और उनको इनसे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकता. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू लुक एट इंडिविजुअल्स एज अ सीड दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सो इनटू द सॉइल. गेटिंग इट? नेक्स्ट, soil and soil plus atmosphere is equals to the environment. A lot of people put great or hire great people into their teams and think that hiring a great individual is going to solve the problems that they have been facing because of which the position was open. But that's half the job. That's not even half the job. Let me tell you what needs to be done. You have to provide them the right kind of support, right kind of atmosphere, right kind of environment in the organization to let the seed germinate into a sapling. People think that I've hired someone from IIT. Now, if I've hired someone from IIT and if I'm paying this much, they should be able to manage all the things for me, right? And why am I paying them so much if they cannot handle all of these things? It is not going to work out. Even if you have purchased a seed that usually costs 100 rupees, but you have bought it for 1000 rupees, it's still a seed. It's not going to give you fruits in like a month or two. It's still going to take 1 year. So you don't have fake expectations out of yourself when you're building a team. Right? And how can you build a team? By identifying the right quality of individuals, and right quality of individuals are the right seeds that you can identify. Then you have to provide them the right kind of environment and right kind of soil. As I said, can apple seed grow in Rajasthan? Similarly, there are other things that like, can avocado grow in Rajasthan? right? So that's exactly how things are. If you are expecting someone to grow in your organization, but your organization's culture, your organization environment and organization's atmosphere is not supportive for them to grow, they're not going to grow. Like that seed is going to get wasted into that soil. What choice does that seed have? So that's a very important thing, and a lot of people miss that. They just think that if I have purchased a seed for 1,000 rupees, and इसको developer language में डाल देता हूँ, मैं developer को बताना पड़ेगा क्या? No, आपको बताना पड़ेगा. You had wrong expectations. Okay, if I'm going to pay more, the outputs are going to happen from day one. That usually doesn't happen. और अगर वो हो रहा है तो you got lucky somewhere or the other. You have to provide the right kind of environment, right kind of atmosphere for people to grow in, and that's exactly the seed gets germinated into your soil. और एक और चीज़, that same seed is supportive for every other individual who has the similar quality. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि एक बिल्कुल अलग क्वालिटी वाले सीड को भी उसी सॉइल में डाल देंगे और उसको भी उसी सॉइल में डाल देंगे और दोनों को सेम एनवायरमेंट से लीड करेंगे, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट. You have to take care of a guava tree in a different way, and you'll have to take care of the apple tree in a different way. So you don't apply the same logic of treating a neem tree and or like मतलब यार नीम के पेड़ का जैसे ध्यान रखते हैं वैसे ही एप्पल का ध्यान रखते हैं क्या? नहीं ना. तो फिर इस इंडिविजुअल को संभाल रहा हूँ मैं, तो इसकी पर्सनलाइज रिक्वायरमेंट्स है उसके हिसाब से इसको संभालना पड़ेगा, और इसकी और पर्सनलाइज रिक्वायरमेंट्स है उसके हिसाब से संभालना पड़ेगा. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, सबको एक लाठी से हाँक रहा हूँ. डोंट यू थिंक ऑल ऑफ योर बॉसेस आर डूइंग दैट? ऑल ऑफ योर बॉसेस आर डूइंग दैट, यस और नो? तुम्हारा केपीआई केआरए में रेटिंग खराब आया मीन्स नथिंग. पहले आपकी केपीआई केआरए तो बताओ. हाउ हैव यू helped me grow? How did you watered me? How did you provided me sunlight? How did you give me that vision to grow in my life so that I can help the company grow? You're expecting me to grow the company, but you're not helping me grow along the way. If I'm not going to grow, this company is not going to grow. So you have to first focus onto that sapling to grow into a plant, and then the fruits are going to happen as a consequence. You just think that I'm going to give you from today I'm giving you 8 lakh LPA ka package, but from tomorrow I'm going to give you 16 LPA, but you have to start making me 1 crore rupees instead of 50 lakh rupees. That's how maths work, but that's not how people work. So in order to lead people, you'll have to understand them individually and their needs, requirements, expectations, and their qualities. And all of this comes under leadership skills, which is very, very important. Next is water is equals to resources. What resources do we have to provide in order to nurture the people as trees? देखो सबसे पहले पैसा. Nobody wants to work for free, right? And if you find out those individuals who want to work for free, never leave them. They're the best people out there, believe me. Even if they do not have any skill, if they have the willingness to build that skill, they're going to be great in some point of time. So you provide them that. But the point is you need to have a lot of money. You need to provide them recognition. You need to reward them accordingly. You need to give them skills as a resources, and you need to have a lot of patience. You stop expecting कि यार मैं ऐसे कर लेता हूँ, इससे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? नहीं होगा उससे नहीं होगा. अगर उससे हो जाता तो तुम्हारे लिए काम नहीं कर रहा होता ना. वो तुम्हारे लिए इसीलिए काम कर रहा है क्योंकि उससे नहीं हो रहा है. जिस दिन उसका तुम्हारे लेवल का हो जाएगा वो छोड़ के चला जाएगा. एंड आस्क एनी एंटरप्रेन्योर ओवर हियर जिनको ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है कि जैसे ही सिखाते हैं चला जाता है. So that's exactly what it is. No, see, a seed needs help to grow and become a plant and become a tree. But when it's a tree, it's self-sustainable. Now they don't need you. So you'll have to understand कि भाई ऐसा ही चलता है. Stop expecting कि इसने मेरे को धोखा दिया, मैंने इसको इतना सिखाया और इसने ये छोड़ के चला गया, आगे से मैं किसी को सिखाऊंगा ही नहीं. Wow. So you are saying that I don't want more fruits in my life, right? मैंने एक पेड़ लगाया, उस पेड़ के फ्रूट्स आए और फ्रूट्स मेरे पास नहीं आए तो आई गॉट बिटर. अब मैं नया सीड डालूंगा ही नहीं. दैट्स व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. सो ठीक है, नहीं होगा तुम्हारे पास में फ्रूट, सो देन स्टॉप क्रिबिंग अबाउट इट. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम विद अ लॉट ऑफ मैनेजर्स, a lot of team leaders, and a lot of leaders in the organizations all across. And believe me, it might be the same thing. I'll be done in 2 minutes. Yeah. See, I got late. No, I got the stage late. So I'll just take 3 minutes and I'll be done.
We are already 40 minutes late. Can you?
I'll just take 3 minutes and I'll be done. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so that's what it is. So you need to have a lot of patience and you'll have to provide them resources in order to grow. Next is, you need to provide the vision. And sunlight is not equals to vision of the company. A lot of people say, हम इस company को यहाँ ले जाएंगे, but how does that matter to me? All of the generations sitting here, millennials and Gen Zs, how many are there? Millennials and Gen Zs? Almost 80%, right? ठीक है. Any baby boomers? अच्छा पता ही नहीं उनको. ठीक है. So the point that I'm trying to explain is, Nobody nowadays wants to listen how big is the company going to be in some years. They want to know where am I going to be in some years. And you'll have to tell them their their growth story rather than your company's growth story. Your company's growth story needs to be within you. You provide them their story. Ke bhaiya, in 2 years, you'll be here and you'll be managing this or you'll be learning this and you'll be doing this. And that's exactly how you get people motivated. You don't get people motivated by providing the best vision for the company. You cannot, यार सीधी सी बात है ना, मेरा घर ऐसा बनेगा, तू motivate हो जा. That doesn't work like that. Do they have the shares? And even after giving them the shares or equity into the company, it does not happen. Believe me, it does not really happen. तो point is, तुम बोल रहे हो मेरा घर ऐसा बनेगा, ऐसा सुंदर बनाएंगे, ऐसा महल बनाएंगे, ऐसा ऑडिटोरियम बनाएंगे, और तू मोटिवेट हो जा उसको बनाने के लिए. It's not going to happen. Show them what are they going to get along the way in their journey, and that's exactly how they get motivated. And fruits is equals to going to be the output of great leaderships. If you'll be able to build a layer of leaders under you, and then that leadership layer is going to build more of such leaders, eventually everything will be on autopilot mode, and believe me or not, it's going to be the most rewarding thing that you'll ever experience into your life. It takes years and years of hard work, resilience, and test of time, but once it happens, your life gets transformed, and in the ways that you can never ever imagine. And not just your life gets transformed, you get transformed as an individual, as a leader in the organization when you do all of these things and take care of all of these things. And that's exactly what you need to focus on. Development तुम्हारा हर 3 साल 4 साल में चेंज हो रहा है. ये लीडरशिप का जो ज्ञान मैंने यहाँ पे दिया है, ये अगले 20 साल भी इस धंधे में रहोगे, किसी भी धंधे में रहोगे, काम आएगा. तो यहाँ जितने भी टेक्निकल सेशंस हैं, उन सबका निचोड़ तुम्हारे अगले 10 साल में काम आएगा नहीं आएगा पता नहीं, पर पूरी ज़िंदगी में ये काम आएगा. तो इसको मत भूलना. You have to let people grow. You'll have to invest into people to grow, and then eventually you might get some part of the fruits out of it that is going to make you successful. And believe me, every successful story that has been out there in the world is about this only. It is an eventual success. Eventual, somehow it got happened. उनको खुद को भी समझ नहीं आया कैसे हो रहा है, बट उनको अगर पीछे जाके देखे तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बस राइट सीड्स राइट सॉइल में विथ राइट वाटर एंड विथ राइट रिसोर्सेज डाले और पेशेंस रखा और सनलाइट दिखाई, और वो ग्रो होके इतना बड़ा बगीचा बागियान बन गया जिसके जो फल हैं वो करोड़ों में बिक रहे हैं, और वो बैठे हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं करना. तोड़ने वाले भी आ गए, वो बोल रहे हैं हम यहीं से तोड़ के ले जाएंगे. So that's exactly how life works, and that's exactly how leadership works. So that's what it is, I guess. These are the questions. Click it. Baat khatam. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Abhishek.
leadership